Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to sign up and create a new account on the One mobile banking app. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the One Bank application on your device, and once you open it up, you will see the sign in as well as the register here button. In order to create a new account, tap on register here and you will be shown the terms and conditions. Tap on the agree button and you will have the option to register with your account number or your card. Choose either one of these options and you will be asked to initiate your registration. Simply enter your phone number, your email address, followed by your card or account number, and then enter your account password or your card PIN. After entering these details, simply type in your expiration month and year for your card if you used your card. Otherwise, enter your date of birth in case of your account number. You can then choose between SMS and email to receive your one-time password. After filling this entire form, click on the submit button and you will receive an email with an OTP or an SMS based on your choice. Simply enter this OTP within the next screen and you will be allowed to create your credentials, including your username and your password. Just type in your desired username and password and proceed forward. And once all of your information has been verified, your account will be ready and you will be signed up and taken into your mobile banking page. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to sign up and create a new account on the One mobile banking app. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.